Hey guys, it's Jeff, and Apple just released iOS 12 Developer Beta 11 to all developers. So this is actually a record-breaking release, as 10 betas was the most Apple has ever released for an iOS beta lineup in the past. Anyways, the build number for this update is 16A5365B, and it only comes in at around 78 megabytes for my iPhone 10. So this is an extremely small update. I'm not super hopeful for anything new in this update, but let's take a look and see what this update brings to our iDevices. First off, if you want to install the iOS 12 betas, go ahead and check the link down below for your solution on how you can join the Apple beta program. It's super easy and quick, and of course it's free. So for those of you waiting or wanting to install the betas onto your iDevices, check that link out down below. Okay, so on to beta 11, and the update obviously didn't take too long to install because of its super small size, but moving on to actual use, and it feels almost exactly the same as beta 10. The performance is still really good, and this does feel like an official release build right now. In fact, this update and the past few updates of the iOS 12 betas have felt better than actual release versions of iOS 11. So that is super exciting, as those versions were really quite awful when they were released. But past that, there's really nothing new here. No changes as expected by that update size, and it looks like Apple is just wrapping things up for the official release coming in just a few weeks. My bet is that we'll see at least one more update, maybe two, but past that, I can't see any further updates until we go into the GM version. So guys, that is iOS 12 Beta 11. Really nothing new in this update, but this is again a part of this long lineup of very stable betas all the way from Beta 6. Battery life, performance, and bug management has been really good on the betas as of late, which means that this is definitely an update you should all be trying on your iDevices if you want to experience iOS 12. Also, at this point in time, I'm not experiencing any issues or bugs whatsoever running whatever apps I want from the App Store on my iDevices, so that's a huge plus to not have to worry about compatibility. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to get subscribed for some more upcoming content. If you guys want to talk with other users of the iOS 12 betas, make sure to check out the iOS 12 forum link down below, and also check out the download link for iOS 12. So guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.